County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairfield to near Caldwell to Summit, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wayne and Bloomfield around 8:55 p.m. Patterson and Passaic around 9 p.m. Lyndhurst and Rutherford around 9:05 p.m. Hackensack and Secaucus around 9:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm watch number 552.